Anything you do in body weight workout. I've asked him how and where are you getting energy. So 100 burpees is like one set we were talking about. Like that can be a whole day workout also. With the strength, they will get into a good shape. And protein is for everyone, but how you take is up to you.
In this episode of the Life Grids, we sit down with Jay Patel, a calisthenics coach who turned his life around after a near death experience. Yes, from chain smoking and drinking to mastering headstands and guiding others, Jay today is going to share how body weight training became his path to heal. We talk about fitness, food, mindset, and why wellness doesn't need a gym. Just your will. Let's dive in. What is calisthenics? Can you break it for a simplified version of it,
Anything you do in body weight workout is calisthenics.
which is yoga?
Yoga, yes, yoga is also, in fact, calisthenic comes from yoga. Yoga is the superior and it will stay superior because yoga also one which we are not practicing the all stages of yoga. Basic yoga is only thought. So that is, I also do a lot of yoga workouts only.
Okay, okay.
The one which I was talking about is handstand. Handstand is also a yoga posture. In yoga, they do handstand, they don't walk.
Hmm. Hmm. Oh,
I walk.
when you walk, it becomes calisthenics,
Yes.
and when you hold the pose for a certain time, then it becomes yoga.
Yes.
It's an extended or a tweaked version of yoga, calisthenics. I'm sure calisthenic experts would have different opinion on this. I'm sure.
Yeah, of course it is. Both are different form of workouts. Calisthenics, you are using pull-up bars, and those workout varies. Lot of variations are there, but it is all body weight workout. Yoga is also a body weight workout.
Yeah, but then you don't do pull-ups in yoga, right?
In yoga, you don't do pull-ups, but you do other workouts like you do baki, or that's the superior workout. Like you're standing on one hand. These kind of this is comes in calisthenic also. It comes in yoga also.
Because in calisthenic, you call it weighted push-ups or weighted pull-ups. There are certain things that is done specifically in
Specifically,
calisthenics. So how do you differentiate when people ask you?
calisthenics may you will not lose your muscles. You will make muscles quality is different while working out. In yoga, it is different.
Can you explain? Is it possible?
Yoga में you are doing most of the stretchings and good mobilities on that. Even for calisthenic, you need to do all this and do calisthenic workouts.
Okay.
Calisthenic workouts are more of only strength trainings.
So you're saying the mother of all exercises are yoga.
Yes, yoga.
The mother, father, guru, everything is yoga. The Indian way of yoga. And then these are all different aspects or different versions of that.
True. It is like if you are what kind of a workout. There are so many patterns now there, but ultimately it is all connected to yoga. It is there. So what are we doing here is we are doing a body weight workouts, and because it is like holding a position on longer time on calisthenics, what we are doing is that give you a good strength. In yoga, what we are doing is you are even building strength, and breathing exercises are
You count
Major
on the breaths.
breaths. So
Because in calisthenics, you also climb up and you hold completely with your the push-ups, and it looks little different from the yoga poses. Is it like, what are the steps? Is it better that I learn yoga and then come to calisthenics, or can I start calisthenics straight away?
anyone can start calisthenics,
Okay.
and you don't need to start like do this and all. It is not like that. Ki you have to be doing this, then only you will be able to do the next step of it. If you are fit, then no, it's not like that. You can start from the day one. It is just a body weight workout.
See, you chose calisthenics because you liked the monkeying around. That's what you
Yes.
said. You like to be active, moving,
True.
fast. Whereas the other workouts made you little slower and made. So that's
No,
a-
I have gym mein, I love doing all the workouts, machines, and but this kind of a workout, like climbing on a rope,
Hmm.
this can help you in
Or-
your day life.
Or yes, I understand when you have
You
to
have-
climb something.
If you are building on a fire, you have to get down, and you don't know how to climb or get down from a rope.
This is more a lifestyle,
Lifestyle. It
or
is
a life
s-
coaching.
Yeah, that is required. So my coaching, I only train on the basis of body weight workout, so that it will going to help them somewhere in their life.
See, calisthenics is all about being agile all the time. In other workouts, you can take a pause, but when you're climbing, you can't take a pause, and you have to keep moving.
Yes.
And that's not everybody's cup of tea. So how do I decide whether calisthenics will work for me or not?
You're just one step away by trying it.
Okay, let's say someone tries this climbing a rope or a handstand after a certain period of practice.
It's a product. Until and unless you touch, feel the product, you cannot tell the what exactly it is. So the product you have to touch and feel.
No, but that journey is going to be difficult or different for everyone. See, for you, calisthenics worked. For a heavy bulk people, like my question is, if a person is very fat or obese or plump, for whatever things, do you think it's a good thing for them to start with calisthenics?
Calisthenics basics, he has to start one point. Okay, if he started like a person is like 100 kg weight and he wanted to do it, so he can do it, depend on his strength, and he need to start with somewhere close to that.
Okay.
If your journey is going towards it, then automatically it will come. Say like he cannot fly in one day, but from the scratch he can start.
There is a possibility, whether
Very
you're
much.
100, 150 or even 80, 90, there is
Very
a
much.
possibility if you start.
Very simply, I have cracked this.
Hmm.
Like, see, I have practiced all the workouts where every workout have a different version of it. Like one you start, if you are able to do a plank, if you're able to do a plank, that's a very basic one. Now,
Okay.
how much time you can hold on the plank?
Okay.
That's your strength.
Okay.
Where you are also building your core, all the muscles are getting activated in this.
Right.
So it's a full body workout.
Right.
Holding on a plank for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, if you're able to hold, just you have to do this. For that, you don't need to travel anywhere. Standing on the same place, just you need 6 feet.
Yeah.
Max, you stand there. On your hands, you are holding on your body in a plank position.
Okay.
You just need to do repeatedly this. This,
So we can start even as simple as
Yeah.
plank. Start from 10 seconds to 30 seconds to 1 minute to 10 minutes.
5 minutes of a plank, if you're able to do, they say ki you know what is 5 minutes of value for you.
Of in life.
Yeah. So people oftenly say like I'll come in 5 minutes. So for them,
Be on the
you
plank.
keep your watch 5 minutes early or late.
Hmm.
Doesn't make
Usually, what is your routine?
day routine. I get up at 5 and I start working out from morning 6. So one meal I'll have in the morning and I'll start my day.
Okay. Okay.
And from 6 to 10 I'll be busy in
Coaching.
personal training.
Okay.
Then after 10 I will start my workout.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, by 11:30 I finish my workout, and then I'll go for my second breakfast,
Okay.
and then followed by another 1 hour, and I'll have my lunch.
Okay. Okay.
So
And what has happening after the lunch?
after the lunch, some practice will be keep happening
Okay.
at home. Also, I'll be start
Mhm.
practicing on few skills which I wanted to do it.
Okay.
So that I'll practice, and then uh, 7 o'clock is my dinner, and
You're done for the day?
by 9 I'm at my bed
Is this your routine?
routine.
Your every day looks like this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So you don't have a cheat day, you don't have a week,
cheat day, no,
there's no outing,
Mm.
there's no party?
no,
You don't party?
no. I
Oh,
don't.
wonderful.
It's
Okay.
been 7 years since I've been gone out for these kind of activities going
Okay.
on. Otherwise, like my time anywhere in the world after 9 o'clock, you can't hold me back. I'll be
You
sleeping.
need the rest.
Rest.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
In this routine, in this your regular life, which is doing for the last 7 years, what's the toughest part which you push yourself?
Now, toughest part is when you meet someone and they say ki it is not possible.
Okay.
That makes me go very tough, because you have not tried it and you said
It's not possible.
it's not possible.
So your toughest thing is when somebody else say they can't do.
Yeah, and I keeps telling this ki you are just one step away
Yeah, I have heard
from
that.
trying it
Hmm.
and doing it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like most of the people just assume themselves that they can't before trying also.
This is as a coach, Coach Jay. But in your personal life of getting up at 5 o'clock every day like a clockwork, what is the toughest thing?
Getting up at 5, or sometime I wake up by 4 myself itself. So I don't keep alarm.
What keeps you driving?
Been no, I had good sleep. I slept good. After 9 o'clock, no one calls me or no one texts me. If somebody calls me or texts me also, I will not respond. After 9, I don't respond.
Mhm. So your body is well rested, and hence from 4 you're getting up and you're
If my
enjoying this.
sleep is complete,
Hmm. Hmm.
then the best thing is in the morning is I'm going to do the thing which I love to do
Hmm. Hmm. So that excitement for the workout itself keeps you
every
driving.
day.
The tough is only when somebody else says no to what you ask them to do.
Ha.
Okay, okay.
So,
Were you like this forever, or only after a coach you?
mom, this is like not before. Before it was a different story. Okay, I used to rush on the traffic every day, break my head, and come back in the night. As a no, regularly I was doing this. Since
You
I've
were in
started,
mainstream work. You were working somewhere,
yes, yes,
and hence that was a different routine. So this last 7 years, this is your routine.
yes. So shifting from the sales and marketing, retail work to owning our own company and working on this.
Mm-hmm.
This transformation have changed a lot. So,
The Jay today you are meeting is not a Jay I used to meet. He's a very, very fun and funny person also. He makes everything funny. Today we have restrained him in one chair, and so he looks a little caged, but he's not the person. Maybe we should take few footages from you where you
No,
walk
this-
and see how the funny reels that you create for your things. It's fun. It's really fun, and it's also equally motivating. It is not just it is funny, but it is definitely motivating. It feels like if you're doing, okay, probably I can also try. Definitely that inspires. So, do you see yourself 10, 15 years later also the same person, or what is your inspiration, or what is your aspiration?
mom, every day there is a new aspiration.
Okay.
Okay, and the whole idea is to die young only.
Die young. Yes.
So
What do you
that's
mean by die young?
that
What do
young
you?
is like at least not ending up to stuck to the hospital and suffer. Everyone is suffering around, and
So
you should be fit.
are you saying that for the fear of getting hospitalized, you're trying to be fit?
No, that's the most stupid thing someone should do. So avoiding that,
Mm.
you have to fit. And personally, I feel like this fitness is my passion.
Mm.
So for putting efforts in this, I don't find anything like a job.
Mhm.
So
This is you. You're a free person when you're expressing yourself in fitness. This leads us to the question of your personal story. So, when you were young, what I got to know is you were not this fitness freak, right?
fitness, my parents are from Air Force.
Okay.
So I born brought up in Air Force campus. So I have never seen or have heard that there is something called rent, electricity bill, water bill until I was
Everything
17.
was free?
Yeah, everything is in quarters, and no, it is like it's in dad's account, so we don't know what's
Okay.
happening around.
Okay.
So in that surroundings, you only have the fit that 80s. You have full freedom to play around. So my house, next to my house, there was a football ground, and from the age of 4, I was like running. My dad used to make me run 10 round of that football ground, a big football ground. Uh,
That's the fitness basics you had.
it started like that.
Was your father also a fitness freak?
Yeah, very much.
What other things that he used to do in his time?
He was in. He used to do yoga, some breathing exercises
Okay.
in the morning, and they used to have some kind of a sports game keep happening in their office also.
Okay. Okay.
So volleyball and all they used to play.
Was your mother also a fitness?
Mother was always busy showing her fitness on me.
Okay.
So because I was like toughest.
Naughtiest. You
Yes,
gave her enough troubles.
yes,
So she had to experiment how fit she is on you.
very true, ma'am. Like I have always kept her busy.
Running behind
Yeah,
you and
yes,
catching you red-handed.
yes.
So for you earlier, when you're in your younger age, it was fitness means just keeping yourself busy and active. That is what it was. What changed?
Once I started earning,
Mm.
I thought this is the only priority. When your priority changes, that's where it like. And for few years, I've started working on my regular work, shifting companies to companies.
So you said so after education, you thought earning is the only
Yeah.
thing, and you've started focusing more on your career, making more money, and things like that. Okay, what next happened?
Um,
What moved you into this fitness freak, Jay?
one instant which is like I have at home only. My half body was not reacting. It has gone to the coma stage.
Okay.
So then my family took me to the hospital,
Okay.
and I was in coma
Okay.
the whole for a few hours.
Any reason for that?
I used to smoke a lot.
Ah,
I used to smoke a lot. I was a chain smoker.
oops.
Yeah, so it's like day goes like 20 packs, like 3 packs.
Okay.
Yeah, because I was into sales and marketing, the easiest way to convey or talk to any business is like chai sutta. So this
It was
is like,
cool also.
it is cool. Actually, it looks cool. That's how my friend told me, and I told my friend that it is cool. And I like we just passed the cigarettes. The part of the crime it is. So
Was that the reason for your?
I have yeah, it is the major reason.
Would you mind how was your alcohol? Because it's sales and marketing, this becomes like it's a social networking and rapport building happens over chai sutta plus evening party.
Evening
and things.
parties.
So you had you were consuming alcohol also?
Yeah,
Okay.
I used to do very regularly.
Oh, okay.
Very regularly I was doing. So that one moment where a body has said ki okay boss,
I'm done.
I'm done. So that day I can say that I have killed myself that day.
Literally.
Yeah. So it was like I've gone in coma, and
How old
suddenly
were you, Jay?
I think I was 32, 33.
32, your body gave up.
33, I guess. It gave up. And Then suddenly I got some consciousness, and like in the morning 3:30, and by the time my friends to declare खाली हाथ जाना है कि फूल लेके जाना है. so so
Okay.
हाँ तो so like then they all came in the morning, and I was woke up as a different Jay.
That what was running in your head for the entire shift?
So this
What were you telling yourself?
you give me an opportunity.
You asked your body.
Yeah, you give me an opportunity, I'll prove who am I. So it's came back, and I got an opportunity where
How did the
I
family respond when you fell that sick
no one was confident also.
that you will come back?
Yeah, it is like that. I was hyperthyroid. My body weight was 48 kg. I was like almost like skeleton. So
I'm getting goosebumps.
from there,
Hmm.
now here, when they doctors have treated me, and doctor said you will come back soon, or maybe you will not reach also after the treatment. And
32.
doctor is telling me that you will may not come back, or no or you may come to the hospital very soon, because
Understood.
and he's like, I have full confidence the way like those who are no gone through this, they will not change.
So you will be gone
Continue.
forever.
Yes.
You will keep coming to the hospital again and again. That
Yeah.
was their kind of feedback.
Yes.
You
So
married by
doctor, yeah, I was married.
and you had
2 kids.
so at 32 with a good career, that is the
Yes.
time you make money, and with a wife and beautiful good children, and you were in the bed, and that changed a lot.
After the these answers I was getting it from the doctor, and of course family is also disturbed a lot. So then I realized ki what I am doing is something going wrong. Yeah, and I was never been like that from my childhood. You can say in my childhood I was like Mowgli. Yeah, I used to
Chimpy.
catch the lizards or small snakes, those green snakes, yellow snakes. Those things are not harmful, so I used to catch them and take it to the school.
Oh,
So
no wonder your mother was busy.
yeah, so it's because it is all jungle. We were campus was in jungle, so we had
You grew up amidst nature.
yeah. So that part is like still I miss it, and I'm like so glad that I born there.
This is beautiful Kerala?
Ma'am, it's in Hyderabad.
Oh, it's in Hyderabad. The way you explained, I thought it was Kerala for some reason.
Hyderabad, it's Dundigal Air Force.
Okay.
So I born inside the campus.
Okay. What this questions or these all contemplation that you were having when the doctor said that you will not come back, or if you will come back very frequently,
Yeah.
this was the thing. That night, what did you and your body speak?
I have a clarity that this body is not no longer. That Jay is gone. You have a fresh start from zero.
What to do?
Let's start take one step karke.
So, did you have a plan that night?
I had got a clarity that I have to do something
Okay.
on myself. Then that was the moment of truth is ki I have like come into the point that it is only self love. That was important. Then I realized ki if I am good, everyone is good around me.
True.
So that was very, very important learning, and it was like it cost me a lot.
It costed you a lot.
It costed me one life.
True. We'll come to that specific topic. All this while we were talking a personal, because it's a very inspiring story and something which everyone needs to know. This is the story that motivated you to be what you are today. Today, I always get inspired when I see you in the workout place. the way you are, the way enthusiasm, energy, you made me do headstand. Yeah, a headstand.
I told you, man.
was thinking it was never possible, and you made me that enthusiasm, but I didn't know the story behind that. What made you today? Uh, you from there you went more into nature. You started traveling. That's what happened.
Yes.
And the best part was you met a Himalayan yogi who changed your life.
Yeah, I was in Spiti Valley,
Okay.
and there's Ki Kibber is a place.
Okay. Okay.
In Ki Kibber, it's in very high altitude.
Okay.
So there I met a person
Hmm.
who is practicing headstand in that environment. Like it was like 1-2 degree temperature. Where walking and talking itself is very difficult.
Yes.
Every breath is countable there.
Yeah. Yeah.
So there he's doing and practicing, and he's literally sweating also in that.
Sweating in that cold.
Yes. Then I have asked him how and where are you getting energy from.
Hmm.
He says ki the energies are inside you. You have to activate it. And then I sat for a long time and told my story, what's happening around and why I'm here. And he said ki all that you can do is this is he said ki it's sanket from a god to you. Now you have to give back something back to the humanity, or the what best you can do by keeping yourself good. So
Keeping yourself good,
Good is-
something you give back to the
give
world.
back to the nature.
That is a very profound thing.
So
He's not even asking go do service, go do charity. He's saying keep yourself healthy.
I think that person was like God to me, and he came and said ki see, you have come searching for me now. Go back to the
Not
place and start walk.
till then you hadn't figured out what your fitness routine is going to be.
No,
You had been just traveling.
and after finishing my trip, slowly I've started working on, and this trip is like me and my friend, we started, and way back in Delhi he stopped, and I have continued
Okay.
coming. So when we started this, we thought we will do it from halfway. Okay, we will do it like Delhi and come back and do it. Then once we started and going, this was the best thing I've done. People say city is not safe for the people to travel and all. Best place you can travel is highways. You get so many hotels, dhabas, they are always welcoming you. Once you are outsider, they give you so much love and respect in traveling. I have like done the lowest budget traveling.
Okay.
Yeah, the most of the places when we were traveling, like from Punjab or from Delhi, and you get a lot of dhabas there. You just need to have one meal there, and they will take care of your, or you can sleep on the khatia.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I used to lock my everything on my bullet only. I was carrying it, and I used to lock it, and I'll
This
just
feels
sleep
like a
in-
proper movie scene where you fall sick and then you start traveling to find out yourself.
Yeah.
And then you met a Himalayan yogi who changed your.
This trip was like I have met so many amazing people.
Okay.
Yeah, it was like every one has have their own story, and they are artists. Some kind of a creativity they are doing. So they are spending their life for the nature environment, what's happening around. So
Can burpees be the main workout? Because that was covered in your 10, 20, 30, 40 also. So that you've is covered in your main workout also? It's again done or
you can always increase the
intensity?
intensity of
Or the
workout reps. Yes.
Okay.
So 100 burpees is like one set we were talking about. Like that can be a whole day workout also.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So these kind of a workout, like
Be
pull-ups.
very careful before you choose him as your coach. In the night,
And
right?
the results, you should see, results will be amazing.
So that helps in weight loss, basically.
Yes.
It helps in weight
Yes.
loss and strength and at the same. But the thing is, people who go to gym, when they lift triceps, biceps, and other thing. But in this body weight, does people get into shape and all, or is it only strength and stamina? You become lean.
No, it is with the strength, they will get into a good shape. It will come. The burpees itself, why burpees is favorite? Like you are not able to come to the gym today, and you have a reason, traffic, curfew, everything, and you are at home. What you'll do? So you can do burpees. So I like we do my clients, and I'm like, if that workout has to be done, they have to do it. And most of the time, like I'll do a video call or FaceTime, I'll do it, and they will do that. So
They don't have to step into a gym. Your students doesn't have to
no,
step into any gym. Wherever they are, you are there to
practice anywhere.
torture them or no, that's a very rude word, but then yeah, in a different sense for a good evolution. But you can train them from wherever they are.
Yeah.
You don't need any weight, anything. You just need them to be available. That's it. And rest with the way you motivate, they end up doing it.
True.
Hmm.
Very true.
Okay.
So,
So when you get into the gym, first thing you'll hear is, "Are you drinking protein?"
yeah, protein. Okay.
Now calisthenics should I do that? Because calisthenics is yoga. In yoga, they don't ask me to drink
Thank you.
protein. They don't talk. They don't split your food into multiple things like calories and things. But here in gym, the first thing is, oh, what brand are you drinking? Which one? Creatine. There's a lot of buzzwords. How about that in body weight and calisthenics?
Body weight in calisthenics, everywhere protein is required.
Okay.
So protein is a micro world language. You can say, like, if you're taking protein or not taking protein, or which brand of protein you wanted to take. But if you are going through a workout, certain workouts, you need to have, if your goal is like keeping a muscles or quality muscles, you need to have protein. And protein is for everyone, but how you take is up to you, the protein source. It's not like branded protein powder you have to take. If you have time, please do it at home. And because I'm not taking protein, or because of the protein, only the development will happen is no. Vegetable food diets are there, which can give you much more protein source. You need to start consuming more fibers and good veg foods, which is there, or a non-vegetarian. You can always have a non-vegetarian
So
food.
if I don't have the goal of becoming any growing muscles, I know it's not easy, but still, if a person is coming just to lose weight and be basically strong and fit, ashte.
Protein is like, I'll not say protein I have taken. I'm taking protein still, because time consumption is one. You cannot go run behind the food, get it and do it. So that's my call. I like wanted to save some energy cooking, so I take protein. At the same time, I make sure that I eat hot food. Eating on time, what you're eating is very important. Before coming to protein, I'll say, like, protein will keep it separately, a brand of
Different.
any brand if you're buying a protein. But what are you eating? So
How is your meal, Jay? Well, you said you start your meal at 5, your first breakfast, and
Yes.
second breakfast at around 11. What does that meal have?
morning first is like, I'll have oats.
Okay.
I'll eat butter oats and dry fruits, right? Or ragi. Sorry, I'll have, yeah, that one of these I'll have.
Okay. Oh,
And my
nothing
dessert.
fancy. It looks.
No. This food are the best food, because you're going to the workout and all. The sessions will be longer in the gym, so it is easy digestible, and it'll give you a same energy to hold. Ragi malt is one, like, amazing superfood in the morning.
Ragi ganji.
Ragi ganji, yes. Yes.
Yeah. You cook it for some time and you add a little buttermilk, or just plain you can drink.
Plain.
Okay. That's your morning breakfast.
Morning breakfast.
And how is your, do you count calories and proteins? Do you count it in the morning or?
Maintaining my body weight, I have to maintain some protein
Okay.
source. Like I'm 70 kgs, so I have to maintain 140.
140 grams of protein.
Yeah, the double of it.
Mm.
So I'll make sure my source, what I'm taking food,
Okay. Okay.
is
Okay.
getting completing that protein source.
Tell me, 10 years back, even when you did you do this?
No,
Why are you doing this now?
because the age, you're going to lose your muscles. You know that every day you're going to lose your muscles. Now, when I've like repeatedly doing and this fitness
Your wear tear is higher.
higher, so especially my workouts, like injuries are always there.
Even.
So it's a part of it. So I need a speedy recovery. So I need a lot of protein for that.
Okay. So your 11 o'clock meal is also planned?
Yes, I'll have smoothie.
Okay. You prepare and bring it, or you go home?
No, I'll go home and make a smoothie for
What
me.
kind of a smoothie?
It will be milk and dry fruits
Okay.
and some peanut butter
Mm-hmm.
and 1 scoop of protein powder
Every day?
every day.
Oh, doesn't get bored.
No.
Mm.
Only is like I'm having my meal on time is the
Okay.
not getting bored, because I love discipline.
And you've learned it the hard way too. So while workout, I've seen people drinking caffeine, the black coffee and things.
I also do that.
Okay.
I also do a lot of coffee, and like anything is too much is not good.
Yeah.
That's for sure. But a natural way of pre-workout can be a coffee.
Okay.
Very famous in gyms. They
Put
call
nice 1 spoon of sugar, milk, and nice coffee. Will that also be a good pre-workout?
no.
Okay.
So the moment you add a milk, it works for it gets charged because it have caffeine. But the best is you are having a black coffee of 1 spoon of a ghee or a few drops of coconut oil in it. That called bullet.
Yeah, bullet coffee.
Yeah, that works amazing.
Actually, Ulta also, it's also called Dalgona coffee also, where you put all these things and stir it faster,
Yes.
emulsify it into a cream and drink.
People take cold coffee or they'll take hot coffee.
Okay.
So
But
the
a
both
sugar
will
is
work.
100% no.
No.
Okay.
Yeah. Sugar, you can, few people require it, depend on their requirements. If if you're in a weight loss journey, you should take help of electrolytes, the best source, or you can always have sugar and salt mix in the water and drink it at home.
Okay.
Other than that, they shouldn't use anything.
It's like now J is equal to no smoking, no drinking, no sugar, no white stuff, or maida, no.
No, maida to pakka no. So yeah,
this is your formula, the basic formula.
Basic formula. Food is fuel. You should celebrate it. I celebrate eating food nicely.
You don't distract yourself with scrolling?
No, I eat good food every day. I'll make sure that my food is hot. That is the basic.
While eating, do you scroll?
No.
So you focus?
My focus is food.
You enjoy that every bite?
Yes. My focus is food. When I'm next to the food, I don't see anything. I'll only see the food. And I think in food, I have seen most of the people while eating also, they have a guilt. They say, I'm feeling guilt while eating it. I shouldn't eat this, but I love eating cake. Don't do that. That have a memory. It goes, we're talking about memory, where the water and food have memory.
Yes.
So it goes, and then you are, it is going with the guilt. So it is not going to help you.
So enjoy it, Adi.
Enjoy your food.
Even if it is, enjoy the cake.
Enjoy the food. If you know it is poison, so then don't have it, no?
Okay.
So don't have it. If you know it's going to harm you, then don't have it.
Another one more in this food and thing is drink lots of water. What is this all about?
Water, fitness start from your cleaning your body, keeping your body clean. So water is magic. It will work
do you prescribe, or have anyone prescribed you drink some X number of liters of water, or do you drink when it's thirsty or when it's needed? How do you see the consumption of water?
Water, I think water is the best solution for all this, the work we do whole day. And I have sorted lot of things in water. So, like, oh, they tell no ghat ka pani piya hai. So I have traveled across, so I have seen the taste of the water and I know the value of a water. Where you don't get the water to drink also. You go to a mountain region where 300 kilometers, you don't find anything. So uh, every breath is countable. Every drop of water is countable there. So I think water is the best I've ever felt after coming back from those places. So
So, how do you see, in hydration is very important. Like every 5-10 minutes, people go while working out, whatever it is, if we just reach out to water bottles.
true. Like you have minimum requirement of your body weight, people take water. So they say 4 liters is like basic, you need to have water. So if you keep drinking water, it is always good, because whatever the required, it will be there in your body. And since we are doing so many activities, our food, whatever food we are eating, it has to get cleaned.
The detox and
This is the best way of detoxing your body is water first.
You were also telling about how these workouts helps your absorption, helps the water absorb in a different way than earlier.
True. I mean, yeah, earlier when I used to drink only, I can taste the water still my tongue and how it is passing and all. After the fitness, when you drink water, I feel the water going deep through my throat completely, and I can feel the water going down. So
That's the self-experience that you have
yes,
of how water travels inside your body. If somebody wants to pursue calisthenics because they love being flexible and fit, if someone, young people, wanted to take that as a profession, are there institutes and are there places where they can get certified to
yes,
be
yes,
a
very much. It is there now.
Okay.
And I suggest one is for the calisthenics certification, and also for a CrossFit certification.
Okay.
For the youngsters who are looking for a job or something, this is the best job. If you're into fitness, you can do a CrossFit certificate.
Okay. Okay.
You can do a L1 and L2 certificates are there. There is one L1 certificate. It's little expensive.
Okay.
Like it cost you around some 90,000 plus tax.
Yeah.
It will be. So that certificate will help them to
It's
be
available in India?
very much valuable. So
in India?
in India,
Okay.
very much valuable. That is for CrossFit, and CrossFit is still new in India, and he can go join anywhere. He'll get a job for it.
Okay.
That is
When you say CrossFit, it's mix of everything.
CrossFit is also a mix of everything.
Everything.
So
all the fitness
Workouts.
routines and workouts.
Yes.
Okay. 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 So I think we've kind of come to the end of the show. So to wrap up, do you have anything that you wanted to share with our viewers, with our community?
For the beginners, we have spoke how the fitness can be a good source to journey for them, or and food, protein. I was telling the protein का है कि simple दाल रोटी खाओ, प्रभु के गुण गाओ, eat hot, whatever you eat first.
Okay.
Yeah.
You say that itself is sufficient.
Yeah, it's sufficient. First, before doing something, stop doing what you're not supposed to do is the major call.
That means that I am not supposed to order Swiggies or fried foods.
Any online food
You're against?
is not that good as you cooked at your place. So
home cooked
the
food.
home cooked food is the best food.
And that to dal and roti.
You eat dal roti, you eat whatever you eat, you make sure that you eat hot, even if you're ordering online, since it's a busy life. So you make sure that you eat something hot.
Okay. Fresh food.
Fresh food.
Okay.
So, and junk foods or frozen foods or packaged foods, everyone is educated, everyone knows.
But still, they're doing well. That is where the thing, we are stuck there. We know it is not right, but we still do it.
Yes.
That is something which we need to figure out. Why are we doing that?
For that, I can only tell them that I have understood. You have not.
You understood.
I have understood. So it's like my self knowledge.
You don't order food on.
I do order. I do order sometimes when I'm like finding difficult to reach out some places or getting stuck up in somewhere. I'll order, but I'll make sure that there are a lot of option available. Good food, you can get it. Or easy. I'm passing by somewhere. I'll just get into a vegetable shop and buy some bananas and carrots. My done. I'm okay with it.
That's a lot of self-control and
Yeah.
discipline and dedication to what you have. That's what you have experienced it. You're consistently following it up. Others, that's what only when you touch it and come, we will all benefit out of those advice.
Yeah, detox. We have spoken about detox. Detox is like one you start your day with a detox one. You take a beetroot juice or any ginger shots or any superfood you take.
You make shots.
Yes,
Can you please talk about your shots?
it's turmeric, ginger, lemon shots I make.
Okay.
That is basically a detox to your body,
Okay.
and because of the citrus, it also give you a pre-workout. So it's a combination of a good day to start.
Okay.
So this we were doing it. I was doing it for a long time for myself. My
Yeah.
family was doing it from a long time. Then slowly I've started giving up to my friends and
Right.
family. Then they have said, "Ki this is going to a good thing."
So you launched a
start.
brand.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So that is called Power Punch.
Okay. Is this available on
Yes.
retail outlets?
It is available on WTF.co.in website
Okay.
and also available in NH2 gym.
Okay. Oh, these shots are. We should
Yes.
try definitely. Okay. If people are interested to be fit and flex, I think now I should stop
flex.
calling you as a calisthenic coach and more like a fit and flex, and that too applicable for day to day life.
True.
Right? So if they are interested to reach out to you, I'm sure we can take your number and put it on the description, and they can message you and
Yes.
yeah.
Yes. They can DM me on Insta or WhatsApp.
Okay.
My Insta ID Jay Patil.
Yes,
That
we
they
will
can
put it
always-
up in the description for sure. And from there, it would be if they are interested, they can reach out to you and
Very
take
true.
this step towards fitness in a very, very simple, practical ways. Thank you so much. It's been amazing. I don't know, the time flew. Thank you so much for being here. I'm sure if there is an opportunity, we could catch up again and have a different conversation.
Yes.
And I'm glad. I'm very glad.
Thank you so much to calling me here first. And I have shared my life experience, and I think my story will be a learning for a lot of people there.
Definitely.
It's going to if it is going to change a one person also, I'll be more happy. And like, yes, I've win today again.
I'm glad, and that is a hope. If one person out of this conversation gets some value, we are there. We are done.
Sure.
Thank you so much, and
Thank you.
see you soon in some other conversation.
Yes.
Thank you.
Namaste.
And that's a wrap for today's The Life Grids conversation. So, yes, please, we really need you to press the like button, subscribe button, and the share button. It really means a lot for us. We enjoy doing this. We are really happy doing all these things. But please comment how this episode was and what we can improvise. We definitely wanted to do better with every episode. So, there are fun bloopers and behind the scenes on the Instagram. So visit us there too. See you soon with another free flow casual conversation with a lot of good insights. Till then, take care. Let's explore every moment of life.